Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another valuable video. In this video, I'll be talking about a perfect trade setup that we took today on our live call. But before we get started, I want you to like and subscribe. Okay, go join that free Telegram if you haven't joined that yet. I've been dropping charts in there, guys. I don't post in there every day because I don't have to. I don't trade every day. I'm posting high quality, high probability setups. That's it. Okay, that you can study, that you can keep. Okay, so with that, as far as socials go, guys, I'm still off of it. It's been wonderful. Okay, it's staying focused. I'm literally like at this close, like $700 from locking down another 100K challenge. So it's been great. So let's dive deep. Let's go to the charts. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. We're here on GU. Okay, you can clearly see daily time frame. Guys, remember, daily time frame, start from the higher time frame. That's it. Okay, start from the high card, higher time frame. Boom. Okay, you can clearly see that this is today right here. Okay, the 9th. So we had this fair value gap here. Okay, right there. We had this high that we swept. Boom, pull back in. Okay, and then we have this fair value gap that I see that we're going to target. Okay, then you had the rest of this inefficiency that we were going to fill. Okay, and you can custom this with the dollar. Okay, figure out where the dollar's going. You can pretty much figure out where GU's going. Okay, because it's a custom with the dollar. So you can see here that we stung into that fair value gap and then we moved away. Okay, so then I start dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see today, right here, this inefficiency right here, we need to fill the rest of it. You can see here that we have a low right here. Okay, we have a low right there. We had a high in PM session yesterday. We had a high here. Okay, you can see that. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, you can see right here, what did we do? This is the key. This is the footprint that they give you. If you're not paying attention to this, you're going to get lost. You're going to get tackled. Okay, so look, as soon as the market closed and reopened and got into Asian, we started accumulating. We started accumulating since the PM session closed, and we started accumulating. Right. So what did we do in London? We set a low, and then we manipulated up. Right. Manipulated up and took what? Buy side. Yesterday's high. Okay. And then we displaced down really quickly, leaving what? A break of structure. Okay. Break of structure, and leaving what? Fair value gap. And also leaving what? Last down candle off a bearish move. That's the breaker. Okay. You can see that we boom, displace, return. You can do it either way, guys. You could have entered here. Your sell side's here. Okay. I don't need to draw this out. Your sell side's here. Your buy side's here. We took buy side first. Our target was sell side. Okay. Our target was to fill the rest of that inefficiency and also tackle the other fair value gap on the daily time frame. Okay. Daily buys. Boom. So what are we looking for? Only for sells. Right? You can see here, here's midnight open. Okay. We get above it, we displace, we return, fair value gap custom with the breaker and the midnight open. And we reject off it. Okay. Inside of New York. So I'm like, okay, if I've got my pattern high, low, higher high, displacement, I'm gonna wait for a retracement. Guys, you could have entered at the breaker. You could have entered at the fair value gap, or you could have drawn your fibs from high to low and stung in at a 62% retracement right there, 62, right? Set your stop at the high and target the low. That's 3 different types of entries that you don't have to guess. Like the 62% retracement is the best entry because there's no guessing. It's either going to hit it or it don't, right? You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about, oh, is this fair value gap going to hold, or is it going to go to this fair value gap? You don't have to do nothing. Okay? That comes with experience. So 62% retracement. Let's throw here. Boom. I'm going to get rid of this box so it won't cloud the screen. Boom. We hit sell side 2R. Right there. Easy. Out. Benito. See ya. Okay? Now, if you didn't see that, you didn't understand that, and you're inside of New York, look, check this out. So we go to the 5. You need to turn my phone off here. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Remember, or move that. You can see we're inside of New York, right? Same trade setup, right? So you can see here that we had a high, low, higher high. We come down. We didn't really break structure. We stayed there. The bodies respected the low and came back up. So boom, you can see that it broke down right here. Boom. Break of structure right there. Okay. You can trade. I know that mine ends at 10 o'clock my time, but you can trade all the way to 11. It's just not good to trade from 11 to noon. Okay. I know that's, you need to enter before that is what I mean. You don't need to be trading inside from 11 to 12. That's like dead zone. Okay. So, but you can enter before that, before 11. And so when I had that break of structure, look at that fair value gap right there. I entered right there. Right here. There's another entry. Now, the reason why I done that is I had a smaller stop. I only had a 12 pip stop. Okay. Boom. Go after sell side and look at that. 3R trade. 2R turns into 3R. Okay. All pure off of just being patient and waiting for the setup. That's it. Okay. Being patient and waiting for the setup. You have a high. You have accumulation. You're waiting for timing. Okay. You're not entering in here. None of that. London gave you the manipulation. Okay. It gave you the displacement. New York gave you the retracement. There's the distribution right here. Okay. There it is. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's it. That's all they're doing. This is their hand. Accumulate. I'm going to run the wrong way. Okay. Breakout traders. Look, it broke out and retested. They think it's going up. No, it ain't happening. It ain't happening. Displacement. Okay. Energetic move away and then return. Entry. Boom. Gone. Attack sell side. You can see, look, as soon as they attacked it, they pulled in. Right? Support and resistance traders. Oh, yeah, let's buy right here, baby. Well, the bias is not up. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're attacking something towards the sell side, which is a daily fair value gap. So back to time frame alignment video. What's your draw? Remember, your market is doing two things. It's going after highs and lows, and it's filling in inefficiencies. So once it takes out an internal liquidity, which is highs and lows, it's retracing back into what? Internal liquidity. Always know that. And then frame your trades off of that. That's it. That's it. If you do not have a clear setup, just don't take it. Just don't take it. You know how many trades that I just missed, like yesterday? Yeah, look at this trade I missed yesterday. My mom came over. I haven't seen my mom in a while. So I was chatting with her and we're, shooting shit. And look, high, we raped the high right here. And it set the pattern right here on SPX. Right? Look at the 1 minute. Yesterday. You go over here. Okay? High, low, high, displacement, return, breaker, boom, I missed it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it happens. And if it's not clear, just don't take it. If it's not clear like that, just don't take it. Look, that was a beautiful move. Today was a beautiful move, right? So, like, even with this, look, I posted this in the chat. I draw this up, look. So right here, I'm saying that this trade could have been taken. So this is at 12:30, boom. that that trade was valid because it was after it was there. It was it right starting in PM session, right? Right here, I took this trade and lost, right? High, low, higher high, displacement, break of structure, return to fair value gap. I started winning. Like, cool. Boom. I was even broke even. And when it started pulling back, I was like, let me move my stop loss back up. Just give it some breathing room because there are some areas that it could come back to, right? So it ended up stopping me out and then look what happened. It's okay. It's okay. Then I end up getting this bank. I end up getting that. It's fine. It's okay. Right? It's good. It's part of trading. If you can't be okay with that, trading's not for you. The more you start to understand that the process here, the process here is to overcome the things that you have problems with, right? It ain't the trading. It's not the strategy. All strategies work, right? So like, think of the market like therapy. It's therapy. The market shows you who you truly are. It's either good things or bad things. The bad things you need to work on. The good things, keep them in your trading. That's simple. Once you dial that down and you harness that, you're Gucci. You're winning, right? So I just wanted to pop in here, show you that trade setup. That's one of the trade setups that we, a few me and my students took and won. Really good setup. So that's all we're looking for. That's it. Like one setup, one strategy. If it's there, I take it. If it's not, no sweat off my back. I'll go do something that I like to do. Right? And the more you get into that, the better you are. And quit trying to trade every day. Guys, last month, I think I only took 14 trades the entire month. Right? If you're taking over 30, 50, 60 trades and you're doing all this buying and selling, you're just shooting yourself in the foot. You are. You're shooting yourself in the foot. Okay? So, with that, guys, hope you got value. Okay? Like I said, use this market as like therapy. Figure out, get very clear on what it arouses out of you. Okay? Are you angry? Are you emotional? Work on it. Do personal development. Fix it. Because that's what's holding you back. You are holding yourself back, not the strategy. Okay? So like I said, guys, hope you got value. Keep pipping and dipping, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.